Hello dear students, it's me Dr. Varsha and you are watching Botany Varsha. In today's lecture we will study evolution of molecular oxygen. In my previous lecture we have already studied Hill reaction, Emerson effect, pigment system 1 and pigment system 2. So let's start evolution of molecular oxygen in light reaction. It is well established that in photosynthetic light reaction, two pigment systems are involved. These two pigment systems are pigment system 1 and pigment system 2. And the first photochemical reaction of light reaction is evolution of molecular oxygen. This is mainly concerned with the pigment system 2. So now I will teach you with the help of a simple animation film so that you can easily understand the process. This is pigment system 2. The reaction center of pigment system 2 is P680 and each pigment system has two complexes, core complex and light harvesting antenna complex. In light harvesting antenna complex, different photosynthetic pigments are found. These photosynthetic pigments are phycobilins, carotenoids and xanthophylls, chlorophyll molecules. These are light harvesting antenna, chlorophyll and different light harvesting antenna molecules. They absorb light from sun and utilize this solar energy and transfer this solar energy to pigment system 2. Now pigment system 2 photoexcited and exudes electron. And when pigment system 2 exudes electron, at that time small electron hole is appear in pigment system 2. This is electron hole and some oxidizing enzymes, some water oxidizing complexes in which manganese, calcium and chlorine act as cofactors. These water oxidizing complex photooxidize two molecules of water and these two molecules of water breaks and produce molecular oxygen and protons and electrons. These electrons are taken by Z. Z is electron donor which take electron from the photooxidation of water and transfer it to the reaction center of P680 reaction center and this is reaction center of PS2 and the hole which were produced after photooxidation of PS2, that hole will filled with this electron. So each type when pigment system 2 photooxidized and exudes electron at same time photooxidation from the photooxidation water, electrons release and it comes with the help of this electron to the ground state. So this is the reaction in which two water molecules photooxidize and produce molecular oxygen, protons and electrons. Now we can understand the process of photooxidation of water when we consider pigment system 2 complex as MZP680Q, where M is an intermediate which react to produce oxygen and it is found in 4 oxidizing stage: M plus, M2 plus, M3 plus and M4 plus. Z is electron donor to P680. It takes electron from the photooxidation of water and this electron is transferred to the pigment system 2 and next is P680. This P680 is reaction center of PS2 and P stands for pigment, and 680 is the 680 nanometer light. They can absorb 680 nanometer lights. So next is Q. Q is electron acceptor. When pigment system 2 get photo excited and release electron, this Q is electron acceptor. Via phaeophytin, this electron taken by quinone, that is Q. And complete stage of pigment system 2 is regarded as S. S means MZP680Q. And next, the protons which are released after the photooxidation of water are released in thylakoid lumen. These protons are released in thylakoid lumen. So this is a reaction. Two molecules photooxidize and produce molecular oxygen, protons and electrons. When oxidizing charges of M is actually manganese, which is attached to the water oxidizing complex. This manganese is found in 4 different charges, oxidizing charges. So when oxidizing charges of M change, complete state of S of pigment system 2 also change. So complete state, that is S, will also change according to the when the charges of the manganese or M will change. So S0 is MZP680Q. S1 means M has 1 plus charge. S2 when the M has 2 plus charges. S3 when M has 3 plus charges, and we will call complete state S is S4 when M has 4 plus charges. So oxygen evolution is a 4 oxidizing step process where S cycles through 5 different stages. These stages are S0, S1, S2, S3, S4. So molecule of oxygen is released during S4 to S0 transition. This is a water molecule. These are 2 water molecules. They get photooxidized and release molecular oxygen, but it is not easy process. It is long process in which S is complete state, which is found in 4 different stages: S0, S1, S2, S3, S4. So after these transition, molecular oxygen will release. So water but S0 stays S0 to S1 transition. One electron is released. This electron is taken by Z. Z is electron donor of P680. Takes electron from here and it is donated to the pigment system 2. So pigment system 2, which was photooxidized, come back to its ground state by taking electron from the photooxidation of water. And S1 transition, S1 to S2 transition, one more electron is released. S2 transition, from S2 to S3 transition, one more electron is released, and from S3 to S4 transition, one more electrons are free. So 4 electrons are released, and this is S4 stage, and a molecule of oxygen is released during S4 to S0 transition. So this is molecular oxygen which is produced in the process of photooxidation of water as a byproduct or waste product. So in each transition one quantum light is required. So in this process 2 molecules of water photooxidized in the presence of some oxygen evolving complex in which manganese, calcium and chlorine ions work as cofactor. and the molecular oxygen is released in this process as a waste product, and each transition requires one quantum light, and each time each time one electron is transported to P680 of pigment system 2, and this molecule this electron ion will donated by with the help of Z. Z is electron donor, and protons are released. Each time protons are also released. These four protons are released in thylakoid membrane. So this is evolution of molecular oxygen, also called photooxidation of water, in which two molecules of water photooxidized and produce molecular oxygen. But this oxygen evolution is four-step process, four oxidizing step process, where S cycles through 5 different stages. These stages are S0, S1, S2, S3 and S4, and molecular oxygen is released during S4 to S0 transition, and in each transition one quantum light is required and one electron is released, which is transported to P680, and which is reaction center of pigment system 2, and which was actually photooxidized and comes back to its ground state by taking these electrons. So this is photooxidation of water. Thank you so much for listening me patiently, and stay tuned, stay curious also for my next lecture. Till then, goodbye.